students. Next continuation named reaction student, that is Ullmann reaction students. In this Ullmann reaction students, here also involved, that is aryl halide involved, that is iodobenzene is involved. In this reaction iodobenzene will be involved. Iodobenzene, when iodobenzene reaction with copper on heating, we get that is biphenyl will be formed. That product is biphenyl will be formed plus CuI, 2 moles of CuI. Here also 2 moles of copper is involved. Here take the 2 moles of iodobenzene. This is belongs to Ullmann reaction. Ullmann reaction students. In this Ullmann reaction, 2 moles of iodobenzene react with copper in the presence of on heating. We get that is biphenyl, product is biphenyl and copper iodide will be formed. So this is the Ullmann's reaction students. Now next named reaction student, that is Frankland reaction student. Frankland reaction students. In this reaction, in this Frankland reaction students, same thing, so alkyl halide student. Here also same thing student. When alkyl halide, that is example, that is ethyl chloride. When ethyl chloride CH3 CH2 Cl, when ethyl chloride react with zinc in the presence of heat student, we get that is butane will be formed. Butane will be formed. We should take the 2 moles of ethyl chloride. When 2 moles of ethyl chloride react with zinc in the presence of heating, we get that is N-butane will be formed. N-butane will be formed. We get that is ZnCl2. This is belongs to Frankland reaction student. In this Frankland reaction student, that is zinc is involved student. In this Ullmann reaction, that is copper is involved students. In this reaction, that is Urji reaction, Fittig reaction and Urji Fittig reaction, sodium metal are using student. But in this reaction, Ullmann reaction copper and Frankland reaction, we are using that is zinc metal students. These are the very most important students. That is Frankland reaction student. We get that is N-butane will be formed plus zinc chloride, that is ZnCl2. And next named reaction student, that is Borodin Hunsdiecker reaction. Borodin Hunsdiecker reaction student. That is example student, in this reaction student, when acetic acid CH3COOH, when acetic acid react with silver oxide AgOH, silver oxide in the presence of Br2 by non-polar solvent, we get that is methyl bromide will be formed plus carbon dioxide also involved. Carbon dioxide, that is gas is involved in carbon dioxide plus, and silver bromide will be formed, that is AgBr, that is precipitate will be formed. In this reaction also same thing student, that is alkyl halides also prepared. In this reaction alkyl halides are involved, that is methyl bromide, ethyl bromide, like that student. In this reaction student, that is acetic acid. When acetic acid react with silver hydroxide in the presence of bromine by non-polar solvent, we get that is methyl bromide plus carbon dioxide plus silver bromide, that is precipitate will be formed. So this is belongs to Borodin Hunsdiecker named reaction student. Now next named reaction student, that is Finkelstein reaction student, that is Finkelstein reaction student. It is also very most important named reaction student, that is Finkelstein reaction student. In this reaction student, we should take that is methyl chloride. When methyl chloride student, when methyl chloride, I am taking alkyl halide example, I am taking methyl chloride student. When methyl chloride react with sodium iodide in the presence of acetone, acetone is aprotic solvent student, acetone is aprotic solvent, we get that is CH3I methyl iodide plus and sodium chloride will be formed, sodium chloride student. In this reaction, that is halogen exchange reaction student. In this reaction, that is halogen exchange, that is here chlorine is replaced by iodine, we get that is halogen exchange reaction student. This is halogen exchange reaction student. Here chlorine is replaced by iodine, so we get it when methyl chloride is converted into methyl iodide in the presence of sodium iodide student. Here chlorine is replaced by iodine, we get that is methyl iodide will be formed student in the presence of acetone. This acetone is aprotic solvent student. It is also student, it is a kind of SN2 reaction student. It is very most important student. It is a kind of SN2 mechanism student, SN2 reaction student, SN2 reaction student. And one more point, student, in this reaction, student, it is also known as halogen exchange method. Halogen exchange method. It is also known as halogen exchange method. It is very most important. So that is Finkelstein reaction. Finkelstein reaction here, here chlorine replaced by iodine. It is belongs to Finkelstein named reaction, students. And next one is that is Schwarz reaction, student. In this Schwarz reaction, student, same example, student, here when methyl chloride example I am taking, when methyl chloride react with silver fluoride AgF, silver fluoride, in the presence of DMF, dimethyl formate, we get that is CH3 methyl fluoride plus methyl fluoride will be formed. The product is methyl fluoride plus AgCl precipitate will be formed, that is AgCl, that is silver chloride precipitate will be formed. It is also same thing, student. It is also halogen exchange, student. Here chlorine is replaced by fluorine, student. It is also halogen exchange. Here also same thing, halogen exchange, student. It is a kind of same, student. It is a kind of SN2 mechanism or SN2 reaction, student. It is a kind of SN2 reaction, student. And next one, it is also known as halogen exchange method, student. It is also known as halogen exchange method. It is also halogen exchange method. So this is the very most important, student. The Schwarz reaction. In this Schwarz reaction, student, here chlorine is replaced by fluorine. That means preparation of methyl fluoride or ethyl fluoride, student. In the Finkelstein reaction, student, preparation of methyl iodide or ethyl iodide, student. This is the very most important named reaction, student. Finkelstein reaction, Schwarz reaction. This Finkelstein reaction and Schwarz reaction both are the halogen exchange reactions. So these both are the halogen exchange reactions, students. Now next one named reaction, student, that is next named reaction, student, that is 1 second, students. Now next named important named reaction, that is important named reaction, student, that is Darjan reaction, student, that is important named reaction, that is Darjan reaction, students. When alcohol is converted into alkyl halide, student, in this reaction, student, when alcohols are converted into, that is example, when alcohols react with sulfonyl chloride in the presence of pyridine, in the pyridine we get that is alkyl halide plus sulfur dioxide plus HCl will be formed. So this is the very most important, student. In this reaction, student, that is one alkyl halide, one sulfur dioxide, one hydrochloric acid will be formed, student. Now take the example, student, in Darjan reaction ke example, student, that is, now take the example, student, when ethyl chloride, when ethyl alcohol react with sulfonyl chloride in the presence of pyridine, we get that is ethyl chloride will be formed, CH3CH2Cl plus sulfur dioxide plus hydrochloric acid will be formed. So this is the Darjan's reaction. So this is the Darjan named reaction, student. In this Darjan reaction, sulfonyl chloride is involved, student. It is also belongs to SN2, students. It is belongs to SN2 reaction, student. SN2 reaction, student. In this SN2 reaction, in the presence of pyridine, students, in the absence of pyridine, it is belongs to SNI reaction, student. It is also very most important, student. This Darjan's reaction, only in the presence of SOCl2, this reaction is completely, that is SN2 mechanism, student. SN2 mechanism, student. In the absence of pyridine, it is belongs to SNI, student. It is also very most important, student. In this Darjan's reaction, When alcohols react with sulfonyl chloride in the presence of pyridine, we get alkyl halide and sulfur dioxide and hydrochloric acid. It is belongs to SN2 mechanism. And same when alcohols react with sulfonyl chloride in the absence of pyridine, we get same product will be functioned, that is belongs to SNI student, SNI mechanism student. This is the very most important student, that is Dodgen's reaction student. Now next named reaction student, it is very most important named reaction, that is Williamson synthesis student. Williamson synthesis student, it is very most important. Williamson synthesis. What is Williamson synthesis student? When alkyl halide, it is very most important student, Williamson synthesis. When alkyl halide react with sodium alkoxide, that is RONA. When alkyl halide react with sodium alkoxide in the presence of polar aprotic solvent, so that is polar aprotic solvent, we get that is diethyl ether will be formed, plus NaX is elimination student. In this reaction student, that is NaX is elimination student. Here a halogen student, here taking a halogen student, here sodium, in this sodium alkoxide, this name is called sodium alkoxide. In this sodium alkoxide, sodium is elimination student. In this alkyl halide, halogen is elimination student. We get that is remaining part student, here R is left student, here RO is left student, that is ROR will be formed. This is the production, that is NaL, that is sodium halide will be formed student. Now take the Williamson's example student. Now take the example for Williamson's student. When alkyl halide example student, that is when ethyl chloride CH3CH2Cl, when ethyl chloride react with sodium ethoxide NaOCH2H5, that is CH2CH3. Example student, Williamson's example student, when ethyl chloride CH3CH2, that is CH3CH2Cl, when ethyl chloride react with sodium ethoxide in the presence of polar aprotic solvent, PAS means polar aprotic solvent, we get that is diethyl ether will be formed, that is product is diethyl ether, that is CH3 CH2O, then CH2, then CH3 plus 2 Na, only one NaCl student. In this reaction student, here this NaCl is elimination student. In this reaction, NaCl is elimination student. Na from here, Cl from here, Na plus from here, Cl minus from here. Remaining here student, here remaining CH3 CH2 left student. Here also same thing student. Here also OCH2, here ethoxy group is left. In this ethyl chloride, ethyl will be left student. This ethyl group will combines with ethoxy group, that is product is diethyl ether will be formed. This is a diethyl ether will be formed. Diethyl ether will be formed. Diethyl ether will be formed. This is the simple trick for Williamson synthesis. This is the important named reaction student. Now next one student, that is next named reaction student, that is very most important named reaction student, that is Birch reduction student. That is, it is also very most important named reaction student, that is Birch reduction. It is also very most important named reaction, that is Birch reaction student. Now take the in this reaction student, when alkynes example student I am taking, that is when 2-butane, I am taking 2-butane student, when 2-butane react with, when 2-butane in the presence of sodium by liquid ammonia or lithium aluminum hydride student, it is a anti-addition reaction. So it is a anti-addition reaction student, that is hydrogenation reaction student. It is a anti-addition, that is hydrogenation student. Hydrogenation means what student? That is hydrogenation means addition of hydrogen. That is addition of hydrogen, that is anti-addition. We get that is trans 2-butene will be formed, that is product is trans product will be formed, that is trans product will be formed, that is CH3 then CH3 then CH3 sorry CH3 then H then H. Trans 2 butene will be formed, that is trans 2 butene will be formed, trans 2 butene will be formed, trans 2 butene will be formed, that is anti addition student, that is addition of two hydrogen student, one hydrogen opposite to each other student, one hydrogen will attack this carbon, one hydrogen will attack this carbon and another hydrogen will attack this carbon. So these two hydrogen opposite to each other student, these two hydrogen opposite to each other, so that's why it is called anti addition reaction student. It is the named reaction Birch reduction student. In this Birch reaction, that is sodium metal in the presence of liquid ammonia or sodium borohydride, sorry lithium aluminum hydride. What is the role of lithium aluminum hydride student? These both are the reducing agent, sodium by liquid ammonia or lithium aluminum hydride, both are the reducing agent student. In this Birch reduction student, that is hydrogenation, that is addition of hydrogen, these two hydrogens will attack opposite to each other, that is anti addition reaction student, that is product is trans 2 butene will be formed. So this is the simple trick for named reaction student. These are the important named reaction student. If you like my video, please like, share and comments, and thank you and thanks for watching students.